Welcome to History's Hiccups, Part 61. Meet Nat Love, also known as Deadwood Dick, an African-American cowboy legend born into slavery in 1854. After the Civil War, Love headed west, where his skills as a cowboy quickly made him a legend. In 1876, his victory in a Deadwood, South Dakota contest earned him the nickname Deadwood Dick. Love's life was filled with adventures, from winning shooting contests to battling outlaws and surviving the wild frontier. His story highlights the diverse reality of the American West and celebrates the resilience and bravery that define early American history.